Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another crochet braid video, but instead of curls today, girl, we have some goddess twists. So shout out to Flotig Hair for sponsoring today's video. Before we go ahead and jump into the specs and everything like that, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below, turn on your post notifications, give the video a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, welcome boo. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off today's video with an unboxing, and then I'm gonna show you guys my installation process. You guys seem to prefer the voiceover instead of the music, so I think I'm gonna do another voiceover for this video as well. Besides, I think it can kind of help you guys to understand how I'm using the beater and how I'm installing the twist and everything. So we'll go ahead and unbox the hair, do the installation process, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Hey girls, so I decided to go ahead and do another voiceover for today's video. So as you guys can see, we are unboxing these twists. They look bomb. Okay, these are the Goddess twist from the Flotig company. They look so good. They are an Amazon store, so it's super easy for you to get your stuff really fast. I love the texture of this hair. It feels so good. It's very soft, very silky, and the little curls at the end are just so cute. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into my braiding pattern. So you guys can see I did my traditional braiding pattern, which is 14 cornrows going straight back, and then I just, you know, laced one into the other so everything is all connected and good. So of course, you know, we're gonna use the crochet beater because that's what we do on this channel, girls. So all you have to do is take the beater, put it under the braid, pull the twist through, and that's it. There's no additional knotting. Just pull the twist through the loop, and that's it. Very, very simple. You guys see, I'm spacing it out about 2 finger widths apart. Guys, remember that you don't have to go too close to your edges in the front, so keep that in mind. I mean, this is a twist. It does have weight. You don't want to pull at your edges too much. So I did put mine back just a little bit further, and honestly, once you loop it through, you can't really tell, you know, that it's not exactly at the front of your hair. By the time you lay your baby hairs and stuff, girl, it's gonna look real nice, natural, and seamless. So, you know, just be careful with your edges, girl. And what I also tried to do was kind of go through the pack. Of course, they're the same size, but some of them are just slightly smaller than others. So I made sure to take those slightly smaller ones and put those right in the front of my head along my hairline, since that is, of course, you know, the thinnest area of your hair. But yeah, girls, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up off camera, and then I will come back and we will do the final thoughts. Okay guys, so hopefully that tutorial was helpful. It's super duper easy to install crochet twist, crochet braids, crochet locks. Like, it's literally so simple, and you don't have to knot it like on your hair as many times. It's so quick. This probably took me, girl, I don't even want to lie to you, like at max 2 hours, but I feel like less than that. And you guys know I'm also filming in between. Like, I'm filming this, I'm also making a reel and everything while I'm doing all this. So it literally takes no time to install these. It is so quick. So the full name of these, I'm gonna put it on the screen for you guys, but the full name is called Boho Goddess Kai Twist in 24 inches, and this is the color 1B. You get 8 packs. So this is actually the bag that it came in, and you get 8 packs in here. I used all 8 packs, and I don't even have enough. So I think for this particular style, you guys know I always do my braid pattern as 14 cornrows going straight back. If you're gonna be installing any type of twist, braids, or anything like that, and you're buying the hair off of like Amazon or something like that, normally they come in packs of 8. So don't do as many braids. So I would say 10, maybe 12 braids would be good, and then definitely make sure that you're spacing them out well. I do feel like I have a big head just because, like, when I tend to wear like synthetic wigs and stuff, they're always like tight. So I feel like I have a big head, but I don't know, girl. Okay, And I'm pretty sure you cannot purchase these in single packs. I could be wrong. Maybe you can. If you can purchase them in single packs, then definitely get like 1 pack of 8 and then like 2 single packs so you can have 10. I feel like 10 packs would have been perfect for the amount of hair that I have on my head. I really needed to stick to the 14 braids because I feel like if I made them any bigger, like I don't know if I'll really be able to conceal that with the twist. I'm not really sure. This has actually happened to me before installing twist where I ran out. So I can definitely go through in the back part. So another thing I would recommend doing is do the front first. So go all the way across like this, fill in all the front, and then just kind of scatter the back ones in because you don't need as many like with the way that it falls. So what I'm probably gonna end up doing is just going back because I didn't do this originally, so that's why I'm telling you guys to do the front first. So I did what I normally do, which is, you know, just do a whole braid, a whole braid, a whole braid until I get to this other side. But if I feel like I had done the front first and then just kind of filled in the back, I can make it work. So what I'm gonna end up doing is just going in the back section of my hair and pulling out some of those and then just spreading them over to this section. So it's not too bad, but I'm gonna have to go back and do a little extra work. That's why I'm saying if you guys do probably 12 braids and then you fill in the whole front first, you should be good and 8 packs should work for you. So other than that, I have absolutely no complaints about the hair, you guys. I love it. It is so soft. It reminds me of like, I feel like a few years ago when we were like obsessed with the Senegalese twist and everybody was using Expressions hair and then like using a little perm rod on the end to curl it. Girl, that's what it reminds me of. They are so soft and silky. I love the feel. Like, I love the whole look. Like, the whole vibe of the twist is just everything. Like, they are passion, like goddess twist. So they do have that pretty curly end you guys can see here. They are nice and long. They come to my waist. Let me show y'all. So yeah, they come to my waist. I love these, you guys. Oh, and let's talk about the weight. So I was actually really concerned about how heavy these were gonna be because normally like twist and braids, like crochet twist and braids, tend to be pretty heavy. However, I'm actually pretty impressed. Like, I feel like they're not that heavy. Like, I feel like they feel good. Like, I don't know. You guys know, if you've been to my channel before, I suffer from migraines. So like wearing heavy styles is just a no-no for me. That's why whenever I do my crochet braid tutorials with like the curly hair, I try to tell y'all about the weight. But if you see me wearing it, girl, it's lightweight, okay? Like, there are no issues. But with these twists, I was really concerned. But girl, look, they feel good, okay? They are not bad at all. So if you're concerned about having something too heavy, I don't think you'll have any problems with this. So I'm trying to think what else I even need to tell y'all. I feel like nothing because like I don't have any complaints about them. I don't have any complaints. I feel like they just worked out so well. I know I keep playing with them, but they are just so soft. It's just, the whole look is just giving, you know, like it's about to be March, okay? This video is probably going up like the first week in March. So girl, summer weather is approaching. Spring is on its way. We're getting ready for the beach. We're getting ready for vacation. Okay, we are switching seasons, girl. It's about to be summer. So if you are looking for a good little twist vibe, girl, this is definitely it. And I just love that it's an Amazon store because it just makes it like so quick and easy to get your twist. I literally got these twists, I think in 2 days. So girl, if you're in a time crunch, go ahead and just place your order right quick, okay? So that's pretty much all I have to say about these twists. Let me know what you guys think about this style in the comment section down below. I already know it's a winner. I already know you're gonna love this style. Like, it is just so cute. It's so cute. I really love it. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave everything in the comment section down below. I always try to get back to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Give the video a thumbs up and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.